I am not going to be monetized on Facebook in Nigeria. I don't know if you're one of them. The worst part of it is that Facebook is going to make you to commit a crime, something that you don't want to do. They'll be pushing you, post, post, post. And once you do one picture, they'll ask you, post more. And later, when you post a reel, they'll tell you, say, this your reel is making more, is getting more views, post more. Then when you post a video, they'll now tell you, this your video, it got 100 likes. Maybe posting more will help you, to get more audience. This is what Facebook does. And they will even bring out a music for you to use. And after using it, they'll now tell you that you don't have the right to post this music, appeal, this and that. And that is why I don't like Facebook. Honestly. First of all, let me congratulate Nigerians for being eligible to be monetized on Facebook. It's a very, very good thing. At least it's going to be helping a lot of us who are content creators, at least to maximize, our money, our business, or anything that you call it. So if you are interested in making money online, Facebook is one of those places. I must honestly tell you that Facebook Marketplace, Facebook has actually blessed my life. I'm a partaker of making money on Facebook Marketplace. And right now is another opportunity for us to now go into Facebook, without telling somebody in abroad to, please help me now. Can you help me? I open page. I see a lot of people, a lot of content videos that they are saying, help me how to monetize your videos outside Nigeria. But right now, we now have this thing right now. You don't actually need anybody outside the country, you understand, to be your third partner or be any partner to monetize it. So we need to be very, very careful, because if we are doing some of the things that Facebook doesn't want, you are not definitely going to be monetized. I'm telling you the truth. Right now, I have two pages and I checked if I'm eligible to be monetized on those pages. Well, lo and behold, I'm not going to be monetized because Facebook said that I don't follow their policies. I have a page of about 42,000 followers, a Ebys'Lady page on Facebook Market. I don't know why Facebook Marketplace is always coming out of my Ebys'Lady, 42,000 followers. Facebook, in fact, restricted me for over 10 months right now because they said I am not following their policies. If I let me leave the first page, the first page that everybody has, Facebook, that one, you just post anything that you like. But what about the second one? I opened that page and all of a sudden I shared one particular post. And before you know it, my post went viral. And that was how I got up to 42,000 followers on that particular page. And I don't know if Facebook is happy or they are not happy. Because there was a day they were playing sports, Cristiano Ronaldo. So I enjoyed that match and they won something. And I decided to share Cristiano Ronaldo on that particular page to say congratulations. After posting that particular photo, 2 days time, Facebook now flagged it down and said, you have posted something that does not allow our policy. I was like, okay, let me remove it. I removed it. And since then, they flagged down. They said they post that my page is not recommendable again. And up till now, I've tried to do some appeals and it's not actually working out. And the other page, the main page, that one that I turned it to a professional mode, that one has up to 5,000 followers right now. And the same thing, they started bringing out all the posts that I've been putting music and some of the things, and and said I don't adhere to their policies. So this is one of the problems that we are going to be facing right now, especially for some of us that wants to be monetized on Facebook. So if you're posting anything, they said they want original content, just like YouTube. But Facebook for me is one of the easiest places that you can actually get followers, unlike YouTube. It took me one good year, exactly 1 year last month, that I got my 1,000 followers, subscribers on YouTube and got monetized. So, but Facebook is easier, you understand, to get followers. So you need to be very, very careful, you understand, Once you start posting original content, you will not have problem with them. But taking people's photos, taking people's some pictures, videos, and all of that, if you don't know how to use them, to use copyright content, it might actually affect you. So maybe those days I didn't know I was just posting. And right now it's time for monetization. They are not going to monetize me on that page unless they lift that particular they leave that particular restriction on my page because they said my page is not recommendable. Unlike before, when I post that particular 42,000 followers page, if I post a picture, I might be getting like 1,000 likes, 800, 500 sometimes. But right now, if I post anything on that page, in fact, I'm almost banned. I don't even get up to 7 likes on that particular page. And that is how you know that you have been banned. You have been restricted on Facebook. So we have to be very, very careful on the things that we post if we actually want to be, monetized on Facebook. And what can you do? If you have some of those problems that you don't follow policies, you can actually leave that particular page, you understand, and go and open another Facebook account or Facebook page. You can create another page from that same Facebook account that you have. You understand? So it's very, very easier, and twist your name and start looking for followers. And I see another thing that I see there, people saying, follow me, I follow you. Follow me, I follow you is not actually going to make Facebook to monetize you. Once you start creating content, and the content you need to start creating is you need to find your niche. What kind of videos do I need to be making? You don't need to start making random videos, any video that you see, you understand, you post. You need to actually say, okay, this is where I want to be. Whether I want to go into comedy, I want to go into music, I want to go into sports, you want to go into business, you want to go into posting any, stand, have a niche. You want to go into hair making, I see a lot of views on people making hair, or you want to be an analyst on Facebook, you are actually going to make it. So just craft a niche for yourself. Get a niche and make your content. Try and create. Whether it's perfect or it's not perfect, people are definitely going to follow you. And the best ways that you can actually get followers on Facebook is to post beautiful pictures of yourself. If you post good pictures, it's actually going to, once people start liking those pictures and start commenting, and make sure you are replying their comments, the algorithm is actually going to carry it and go up. So do not be afraid. If Facebook said you are in an eligible country, first of all, number two, you don't follow their policies, you can actually leave that page and go and create another page. It's as simple as that, and start building it from the scratch. If you've appealed and they're not listening to you, definitely go and try another page. And the only thing that you need if you want to be monetized is 5,000 followers for in-stream ads. That is the one that they have rolled out for now. Other ones like Reels and Going Live, they have not rolled out the monetization right now in Nigeria. So I believe that as time goes on, if you start posting original content, get 5,000 followers, 60,000 watch hour. That is what they actually need. And that 60,000 watch hour, you must get it under 30 days, I believe. Or okay, under 60 days. And 60,000 watch hour means 1,000 watch hour. So if you can post at least videos that can actually get you like 25 or 20,000 views, it's actually going to get you that 60,000 watch hour, and people watch completely to the end. And the next thing that you actually need if you want to be monetized is you need to be posting consistency. People on Facebook are ready to watch your videos if you are posting consistency. And I know that the best videos that people actually watch on Facebook is comedy. So if you're good in doing comedies, you understand, or making any type of video or church programs, you understand, these are the videos that normally go top now, that always have has millions of views on Facebook. But any kind of video that you are making, cooking channels, all those ones, they has a lot of views on Facebook. They have a lot of views, I mean, on Facebook. So no matter the kind of niche that you are going to take, make sure that you are going to be consistent. Consistency is the key. No matter whatever you're posting, no matter whoever that is following you, definitely you are going to make it, guys. This is where I'm going to stop right now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you are following on Ebys'Lady Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you next time, and bye bye.